Thank you for your interest in NuVue's Terrace Garden Bed. This video will show you step-by-step instructions on how to assemble your terrace garden bed. A lot of care has gone into the design of NuVue's products so that they're easy to assemble and no tools are required. Step 1. Using one of the corner brackets, slide the connecting tabs on the corner bracket into the side of the side panel. The side panel has a groove on the inside of the panel. The groove is the bottom of the garden bed. Step 2. Holding the bracket firmly in place, insert the snap fasteners into each hole on the side panel until the holes are lined up. Be careful not to push the top of the snap fastener until it has been completely inserted into the hole. Once inserted, push the top of the snap fastener until it is flush and you hear a click confirming it is locked to the panel. Step 3. Place the second side panel sides so that the tabs on the corner bracket are inside the side panel and the holes are lined up. Step 4. Hold the bracket and side panel firmly and insert the snap fasteners into each hole on the side panel. Be careful not to push the top of the snap fastener until it has been completely inserted into the hole. Once inserted, push the top of the snap fastener until it is flush and you hear a click confirming it is locked to the panel. Step 5. Repeat this step so that 3 sides of the garden box are assembled, leaving the end panel off. Step 6. Insert the bottom panel into the 2 channels on the side panels on the open end. Carefully push the bottom panel until it butts directly against the inside wall of the assembled end panel. Step 7. Connect the final end panel using the same procedure you did for the previous 3 panels. Step 8. Remove the white top protective strip on the side panel of the terrace garden box, exposing the adhesive film. Insert the liner inside the garden bed. Starting in one corner, press the top edge of the liner into the corner and against the adhesive film. Gently work your way along the side panels until the entire liner is attached to the inside panels. Once installed, the liner should be slightly above the top of the adhesive film. Step 9. Fill with soil and enjoy.